America, you actually don't ever own your house. All right, this one is for my I hate debt people, pay your mortgage off, don't ever use your credit card people out there. I had a question for you. Do you actually really own anything? So there's a lot of people out there that are like, oh, well, I never want to, or I want to pay off my mortgage as quickly as possible. If I send an extra $100 or $200 a month, I'll save X amount of interest. And, basically I just want to live debt free and own my house. And those people generally look down to some of the other individuals who say, technically, I don't really care if I ever pay off my mortgage. In fact, instead of paying down a mortgage that is, maybe 3% or 4%, if I took that money, that same dollar amount, and I put it into like an index fund and got 8 to 12% return, it actually mathematically would be an insane decision to actually pay off your mortgage, because you'd be losing the difference between the 12 and the 4% or whatever your mortgage is. Basically not a sound financial decision whatsoever. But people say, yeah, but you don't want to live with tons of debt. Debt is bad. You want to pay that off. And I just feel a sense of security. Well, let me ask you a question. If I paid my house off right now, my taxes, you probably already know where I'm going with this, my taxes year over year are about $12,000 on the house that I live in. What that means is that I actually have to pay every single month about $1,000. Now, that's not a mortgage payment, not paying a lender, but I am paying somebody to own my house, to live in my house. Because the truth is, in America, you actually don't ever own your house. And for the most part, you actually don't actually own anything. If you want to live in a house, you're going to pay taxes to the government. If you want to drive a car, you're going to pay registration fees, and you need to acquire insurance. Basically, anything that you do in America, any kind of property, even the business, the personal property within your business, you're paying taxes on that every single year. So what's the difference? If I don't have enough money to pay for the taxes, well, they're going to come take the house. If I don't have enough money to pay for my mortgage, they're going to come take the house. Sure, you could make a case, I guess, that, well, at least my payment will be smaller because I only have to cover the taxes and not the whole mortgage. But again, you don't own your house. So for all those people that are out there, what I don't understand is what's the difference between mailing a payment of, say, $1,000 or a payment of $4,000. As long as your income can cover the tax payment or your income can cover the mortgage, it's the same thing. So why not live with better financial sound decisions and take that 12% from the index fund?